We have seen on multiple occasions that company dominates over the other companies, and it looks like they are having a monopoly. And to avoid this and to promote a healthy competition, antitrust law is created. Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Shivaj, and I am interning with Lexus and Company. And in this video, we will discuss about antitrust law. Anti-competition activities are seen mostly in the developing countries, including India, Mexico, Brazil, and sometimes they can be seen in the developed countries also, like USA, Russia, Switzerland. India has borrowed the law from the provision of developed nations, and even after so many years, today world is suffering from unhealthy competition practices. And because of seriousness, India also started taking initiative for this. Let's see what is antitrust law. According to Black's Law Dictionary, antitrust law is, is a body of law designed to protect trade and commerce from restraint, monopolies, price fixing, and price discrimination. They make sure that trustful competition exists in the open market economy. These laws have evolved alongside the market, virtually guarding against would-be monopolies and disruption to the productive and the flow of competition. In other words, to protect the consumer by promoting competition environment and taking action against the monopolists. It's derived from the word trust. A trust has an agreement by which stakeholders in several companies transfer their shares to a single set of trustees. Now let's see the emergence of antitrust law. USA made a statute named Sherman Act in 1890, which prohibits to make the agreement to establish a monopolistic market so that they not get fix up the prices of the commodity after dominating. Punishment was also stated if the company executive not able to make compliance with the law. The company winding up changing huge fine and executive can get jailed. Afterwards, a commission established there called Federal Trade Commission to watch out is there any unfair trade practices conducted. India saw its first act, that is the Monopolistic and Restrictive Trade Practices Act, in 1969. But this didn't perform as expected, and because of its shortcoming, new act, that is the Competition Act 2002, was fully constituted in 2009. The executive and judiciary also set up a Competitive Commission of India and Competition Appellate Tribunal to perform different type of functions to promote the competition. Section 3 of the Competition Act 2002 provides that any agreement related to production, supply, distribution, etc., which is of anti-competition nature, has a good adverse effect on competition, is prohibited and fully void. As per Section 4, not dominance but the abuse is prohibited. It occurs when use of dominance power in an exploitative market manner. The penalty imposed for the violation of the Competition Act under Section 42, subsection 2 is imprisonment for the term which may extend up to 3 years and a monetary penalty of trial fine 25 crore by the Magistrate of Delhi. The question now comes that the successful businessman is punishable under law or not. In USA, a famous company case who indulged in the anti-competition activity, that is AT&T. It is the oldest company in the telecom companies in the USA. Although no longer only one, it has the largest reach than any other company. In 1974, when the Attorney General filed suit against the company, it takes long time of 7 years and 4 Attorney General being round up with the case. The company considered natural being used much time but not response. From here, the US government started to take initiative against the monopolistic activities. When the case was closed, it stated to broken up into 7 different companies. Then there is Rockefeller Standard Oil, where this company drops the price of its commodity by more than half, and then many competitors get brought up. Then there was Microsoft, which began to bundle up both the Internet Explorer as well as the Windows, which ran afoul of the law. Then there was Kodak. This company has 96% share in the film and camera market. This company even beat many lawsuits, but too late to the strengthening of law. Another recent case was Apple versus Pepper. The Supreme Court ruled 5 is to 4 held that the Apple's App Store customer have to sue the company for antitrust violation. Taking all this into consideration, we can say that even the big companies are punishable under the law and no one can take advantages of the law. The next question which comes in our mind is that Indian judiciary function properly against the anti-competitive activities. Now there are some cases. The conflict between Competition Commission of India and the Telecom Regulatory of India. The Supreme Court on 5 December 2018 analyzed dependence Jio's contention that the occupant overwhelming administrator had neglected to issue proposals for interconnection according to the permit condition, coming about in resistance and an inability to guarantee specialized similarity. The court held that the TRAI, being a particular sector controller with adequate capacity to guarantee a reasonable, non-oppressive and focused telecom showcase, was more qualified to choose this issue. The Supreme Court concurred with the Bombay High Court discoveries that until the TRAI has chosen the jurisdictional issue, the CCI is badly prepared to continue in this issue. The Supreme Court gives a balanced opinions by favoring to both government department in the decision. The Indian judiciary taking initiative, but Indian judiciary need to work faster to make the antitrust law more preventive in India. Now let's see the Indian antitrust investigating Maruti Suzuki for dealership discount act. Indian antitrust body opens investigation against Maruti Suzuki over dealer discounting practices. This Competition Commission of Bharat asked in its investigation to complete the probe at interval of 150 days. India anti-monopoly body opens investigation against Maruti Suzuki over dealer discount practices. Image for ADEC purpose, India's anti-monopoly body on Thursday. Then aforementioned, it had ordered an associate investigation into, however, the country's biggest manufacturer Maruti Suzuki controls discounts its dealer supply. Car maker from time to time set a limit on discount to make sure there is no practice of price cutting war among dealers. However, India law says the observed delineate as resale value maintenance is prohibited if it costs associate. Appreciable adverse impact on the competition in India. The CCI mentioned in-depth probe was required to assess the strategies utilized by Maruti because the allegation showed it had been a fit case for investigation in respect to the alleged selling value maintenance arrangement. I want to conclude by saying this. We come to know that the antitrust law, like Sherman Act of 1890 and the Competition Act of 2002, act like it was made to promote competition and to protect the consumer in different countries. Many authorities are constituted to curb monopolies like activities and promote free competition for all entries. But it is still the need of the hour to make legislation more wide and faster. Judicial decisions are that no entity is out of the roof and the customer can there out of wide market. Thank you.